Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're just going to do a little comparison of the Braun LED Slim work light that we just did a review on to the Husky Slim LED work light. I was just at Home Depot and I came across this bad boy and I'm like, oh gosh, that is just like the Braun. So I picked it up. Guess how much this is compared to this? So full price, if you don't have the coupon, this is 40 bucks, which is, it's still not bad for a flashlight. I got it for $28, I think I said. And now it's on sale for $24. Go figure. This was $12.99. So what caught my eye about the Husky is how flexible it is. So you have it upright, and you can go back and forth, but it has an extra pivoting joint, so you can do this number. And this is how it actually came in the package, like this. So you can really fold it up, compact. It has a lot more. It has that S joint in it, so there's a lot more different pivoting options, and so you hold it tight, it rotates as well. I did do a runtime test on these, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. So the Husky has only 300 lumens. The Braun is 390. They both have the same 3 speeds. You have high, medium, and then you have the tips. So this is a much more blue light. This is more of a yellow natural light. So the low beam on the Husky is 150 lumens. The low beam on the Braun is 109. So the the low is brighter on the Husky. And then the tip of the Braun is 52 lumens, where the tip on this one is 80. So I feel like this is a much brighter tip than this one. But again, blue versus yellow. Can you guys see that in there in the camera? See, now, one feature with the Braun, if you turn it on and leave it for 5 seconds, it'll shut off. Where the Husky, you have to cycle through all the modes no matter what. Low, tip, off. This one only cycles if you do it fast. Jesus. So on, give it a few seconds, and then it'll shut right off. Boom. With this one, on, a few seconds, let's give it 10 seconds just to be safe. See, low, tip, off. Now, the Braun's battery is removable. It is a single 18650 cell, where the Husky, you cannot take it out. It's built in. Both have micro USB charging ports. I don't like the dust cover on the Husky, just because it kind of sticks out like that. It's kind of in the way, actually, where the Braun is nice and slim, you know, covers it up. Both have an LED inside here to let you know red for charging and then green when it's done. Both of them have that on the inside. Both of them are aluminum housing. Metal. The magnet on the Husky is very similar to the magnet on the Braun. They're both very powerful magnets. Let me see if I can pick this up here. Yeah, so it'll pick up a socket, no problem. Actually, I think the Braun's magnet is a little bit stronger. You hear that? Hold on. Pretty close. The Braun is about 1.5 inches longer. You see that? Just a smidgen, not much. The LED itself is maybe 1/2 inch longer, but this has the strip LED, where this actually has a bunch of individual LEDs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 LEDs, where this has the finer strip LEDs. Okay, runtime test. On the package for Braun, it says it'll last, where'd it go? 11 hours. That must be on low, because on my runtime test, I got 2 hours and 44 minutes for the Braun, shut off. Then after 3 hours and 15 minutes, I just shut this one off and it was still going. I didn't have enough time to drain it all the way down. So quite a bit longer, but yet it's also 90 lumens less. So you have to take that into consideration. So it's maybe you might get an hour longer life out of this one, but it is slightly less bright. I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you how bright these bad boys are. So I'm at the back of my garage. From the workbench, it's probably 15 feet, but you can see the Braun on the left has that bluer, whiter light, where the Husky on the right has the yellow light. Both are really good flashlights for the money. It's hard to beat 12 bucks for the Husky. Alright, we'll shut that one off. Husky, we have we have high, low, and then the tip. Braun, high. You can see behind me how well it illuminates the shop. So that's high, low, not too bad, still gives out quite a bit of light. And then the tip, which this hardly gives off any light, but a little bit. High, low, tip. High, low, tip. Try the Husky. High, low, tip. The tip is definitely brighter. You can tell that I can see it in the reflection of my camera. High, low, tip. Alright, packaging. Both of them come with instructions and a USB charger. The Husky packaging is much smaller because it comes bent in half. Like that. Also comes with instructions and USB charger. Let's see what it says. 3 modes. High beams at 300 lumens, low beam at 150 lumens. Dome spotlight for 80 lumens. Integrated rechargeable battery with USB cable. 360 degrees swiveling. Provides multiple angles of illumination. Strong magnetic base. Oh, this says 2.5 hours of runtime. But I got a little over 3 hours on it. You know, it comes with a 3-year warranty. So, for $12, I like it. You know, it's small. You can throw it in your bag. So here's the articulation. It's got that S joint. But it doesn't ratchet. Makes no noise. It's silent. Now, the Braun, you can hear it articulate. And then it also rotates 90 degrees. That way. I don't know. They're both good. But if you need a slim light, you know, 30 bucks, 12 bucks. So whichever one catches your fancy. I give both of them one consumer thumb up. I like them both. That's why I got them both. You know, cheap, get the job done, rechargeable, can't go wrong. Alright guys, so keep an eye out for the part 2 of the angle grinder video. I'll probably put it out maybe Sunday or Monday. I hope you liked that quick little review. I had to compare the Husky to the Braun. While I had the opportunity to do it, I saw it, 12 bucks, I picked it up. I really like it. So go check them out. If you have any questions, hit me up down below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. I read every comment. Just might take me a little while. Thank you for your time. Have a blessed day, everyone. See ya!